Some cities are considering bringing back mask mandates as the BA2 subvariant continues to spread. Today, the New York Times reporting that Philadelphia, Pennsylvania will be the first city to bring back a mask mandate next week. Public health officials say the spike is not expected to rise to the same level of previous surges. Jonathan Sari reports.
The BA2 Omicron subvariant driving a slight uptick in COVID infections across the country. According to the CDC, we're averaging more than 31,000 new cases per day, up 3% from 2 weeks ago. Some areas are seeing sharper increases, including New York City and Washington, D.C., where more positive tests rolled in over the weekend on Capitol Hill.
We thought Omicron was by far the most transmissible variant. So anytime this BA2 is going to go up, you are going to see a lot of people infected.
The numbers still remain far below the winter surge, with hospitalizations and deaths at pandemic lows. But the increase in cases is still prompting cities such as Philadelphia to consider reinstating indoor mask mandates. Some doctors say while an uptick is expected, it is not yet cause for alarm.
When you have a highly transmissible virus like the BA2, and you have pulling back on mitigation methods, at the same time there's waning immunity, we're going to see an uptick.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says people will need to make individual assessments of how much risk they're willing to take, with officials hoping vaccinations and natural immunity will prevent more hospitalizations and deaths.
We're going to have different times of risk and surge, and we should each take responsibility for how we maintain our vaccination status, how we decide to live our life.
The CDC says a third booster shot may be needed in the fall when respiratory viruses are at their worst. In Atlanta, Jonathan Sari, Fox News.